Welcome. In this video, we will cover how to write a good meta description, one that improves your click-through rates and supports your SEO strategy. A meta description is an HTML tag that summarizes your page's content. It appears below your title in search results and helps users decide whether to click. A well-crafted meta description can increase your click-through rate, attract relevant traffic, and improves user engagement, even though it is not a direct ranking factor. Keep your meta description between 150 to 160 characters. Longer text may get cut off, while shorter descriptions might not be descriptive enough. Use your main keyword naturally in the meta description. Google may bold it in search results when it matches the user's query. Write like you are inviting someone in. Use persuasive language, benefits, and a clear reason to click. Think of it as your ad copy in search results. Your meta description should accurately reflect the page's content. Misleading description may lead to high bounce rates and hurt trust. Active voice makes your message more direct and engaging. Add a call to action like learn more, shop now, or get started to encourage clicks. Each page should have its own unique meta descriptions. Duplicate descriptions can confuse search engines and weaken your SEO. Monitor performance in Google Search Console. If CTR is low, experiment with different wording, emotional triggers, and CTAs. A great meta description can make the difference between a click and being ignored. Start optimizing yours today. Like this video, subscribe for more SEO tips, and drop your questions in the comment section below.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.